Assalamu alaikum. I'm Abid Chowdhury. I'll be taking your P7 paper, that is AAA Audit Assurance and Advanced paper in Edbase Professional for the upcoming June session, inshallah. And first of all, I'd like to introduce myself. I'm currently working as an assistant manager in UI Bangladesh, and I've graduated from BPP University back in UK and have done my ACCA as well. So basically I used to work back in UK and also had an experience from BPP University as a teaching assistant, and I think I'll be able to help you out and help all the students out to pass this paper. So basically AAA paper are divided into two sections, 40% knowledge and 60% application. So in 40% knowledge part, I'll divide this again in two parts, that is 20% knowledge you get it from F8, that is previously F8 paper, currently known as Audit and Assurance. So, and the rest 20% you get it from AAA paper. And for the 60% application, you only get to learn by completing the whole exam kit, the course note, or you have to know the ins and out of the syllabus as well. So in terms of ins and out of the syllabus and going to the exam hall, it's not just enough. You have to have the proper technique, how to use the time properly, and also you have to have a proper plan how to approach the exam. So I think these things need a proper guidance. I mean, without proper guidance, it's impossible to learn, and you have to have a proper guidance. So I think Edbase Professionals is providing this platform. In Edbase Professionals, all the faculties over here are ACCA affiliates or ACCA members. So they will not just help you out to pass the exams, but will also help you out to reach your career goals that you're having. So I think it's very important to stay under the or take the guidance from the people who are really good at it. So I would like to welcome all of you to come in Edbase Professionals and just have a look at what we are doing so far.